Hello friends, welcome to Unify Story channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 24th December. Let's start. In the year of 1524, on this day, Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer who discovered the sea route from Europe to India, passed away in Kochi, India. In the year of 1892, on this day, Banarsi Das Chaturvedi, a famous journalist and literature, was born. In the year of 1894, on this day, the first medical conference was held in Kolkata. In the year of 1924, on this day, Mohammad Rafi, an Indian singer, was born. In the year of 1930, on this day, journalist and literature Usha Priyambada was born. In the year of 1962, on this day, the Soviet Union conducted a nuclear test at Novaya Zemlya. In the year of 1986, on this day, the Lotus Temple was opened for devotees. In the year of 1986, on this day, the Consumer Protection Act was passed by Parliament in India. In the year of 1987, on this day, Tamil actor and politician M.G. Ramchandran had passed away. In the year of 1988, on this day, Jainendra Kumar, the famous psychological story writer and novelist of Hindi literature, passed away. In the year of 2000, on this day, Viswanathan Anand became the world chess champions. In the year of 2002, on this day, Delhi Metro was started from Sadra Tees Hazari line first time. In the year of 2003, on this day, the US State Department began preparations to hand over power in Iraq on 30 June 2004. In the year of 2005, on this day, the organization named Khalistan Jindabad Force was included in the terrorist list by European Union. In the year of 2007, on this day, to discover the mysteries of Mars, the European Space Agency vehicle Mars completed its 4,000 orbits in the orbit of Mars. In the year of 2011, on this day, the Cuban government announced the release of 2,900 prisoners. In the year of 2014, on this day, Bharat Ratna was announced for Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Madan Mohan Malviya. In the year of 2020, on this day, Ladakh's Tishokar Wetland Complex was recognized as a wetland of international importance. With this, the Tishokar wetland became the 42nd Ramsar site in India and the second Ramsar site in Ladakh. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the banking license issued to Subhadra Local Area Bank Limited, Kolhapur, Maharashtra, for carrying on banking business in India. In the year of 2020, on this day, India Ratings and Research has revised India GDP forecast for the current financial year 2020 to 2021 to minus 7.8 percentage from minus 11.8% estimated earlier. In the year of 2020, on this day, FIFA cancelled the men's under 20 and men's under 17 World Cup tournaments in 2021 due to the coronavirus. Peru will host the FIFA Under 17 World Cup in 2023. In the same year, the FIFA Under 20 World Cup will be organized by Indonesia. Founding of FIFA was in 21 May 1904. FIFA's headquarters is situated in Zurich, Switzerland. In the year of 2021, today is celebrated as National Consumer Rights Day. It is celebrated because the Consumer Protection Act 1986 got the assent of President and thus came into force. Jago Grahak Jago, meaning Conscious Consumer, is a consumer awareness program launched by the Department of Consumer Affairs. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.